Are you looking for more friends on Instagram? Maybe you want to find people who share your interests or simply want to increase your reach and followers. In this video, I will show you how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. By connecting your Facebook friend list to Instagram, you can see all of your Facebook friends who are also using Instagram. This makes it easy to connect with friends and followers alike. So let me show you how to do it. To get started, open up your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, you will see a section called Discover People, and it will show you people that you might know or like. So, go ahead and tap See All. And as you can see at the top of the screen, you have the option to connect to Facebook. Tap on Connect right here, and it will show you your Instagram and Facebook profiles. So tap Continue, and tap Yes to finish setup. And then, if you like, you can choose to sync your name and profile photo. What this will do is sync your Instagram and Facebook names into one and make it easier for people to search for and find you in both apps. I'm going to select Not Now on that one. Once you connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account, you will see all of your Facebook friends that also use Instagram, and you can follow anyone that you like. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.